take care of you if we can't take care of ourselves.
The chronic global shortage of personal protective equipment is now one of the most urgent threats to our collective ability to save lives. WHO has shipped almost 2 million individual items of protective gear to 74 countries that need it most, and we're preparing to send a similar amount to a further 60 countries, but much more is needed.
In a normal time, a gown is disposable after the patient encounter, a single patient encounter. Everything is, the gloves, the gown, and the mask. But we are making gowns last an entire day, and we're making masks last, hopefully, 5 days.
What do we need? PPE! Where do we need it? Now!
We have no doubt that the rate of infections is related in part to the lack of PPE, personal protective equipment. We know that there is a global shortage, and nurses obviously are at a higher risk given the people who that they're caring for.
This situation has been exacerbated by widespread inappropriate use of PPE outside patient care. As a result, there are now depleted stockpiles and backlogs of 4 to 6 months.